everybody, welcome to my demonstration of the homemade security system using the Arduino. And so I'll just start off by walking you through the components. So let's start here where we have the LCD display connected to the Arduino Mega board, and the components that are all soldered together onto the Arduino Mega shield. Yes, so essentially this LCD display is supposed to display whether the system is on or off, and it is also supposed to display when the user is trying to input the pin to activate or deactivate the system. This right here is the remote control receiver that has been soldered onto a PCB board with some lights, and this is the remote itself. So when I press any button here, this receiver should receive a signal to either let the Arduino know that the user wants to activate or deactivate the alarm system. This right here is the buzzer that is supposed to go on when the security system has been triggered. This is the keypad for which the user should input the pin to activate or deactivate the security system. Now, this is a PIR motion sensor. It is supposed to detect motion when the system has been activated, and there are 3 PIR sensors in the system. This is motion sensor number 2, and then this is motion sensor number 3, and right here is a magnetic door switch, which essentially should be connected to a door. When a door has been opened and the alarm system is on, the alarm should be triggered and the siren should go off. And then these are laser emitters which have been closely put together to the light sensors. Those are the light sensors and the laser emitter. So essentially the laser emitter should be very far away from the motion sensor. Like let's say the light sensor has been attached to one wall, and the emitter has been attached to another wall parallel to that wall, so that now when an intruder comes into the system and blocks the laser emitter from letting the laser reach the light sensor, the motion sensors should be activated to now be able to detect any motion from any intruders. And so let us start with the demonstration. So first of all, we start with the letter A on the remote sensor. So when I click the letter A, this should give the Arduino a signal to let it know that the user would like to activate the system. And so as you can see here, when I press A light comes on the receiver, and then the LCD display prompts the user to input their pin. And so once I come here, I can input the pin, and so the LCD display will display that the system is active, and then the green light will show that the system is actually active. And as you can see right here, the laser emitter has a laser pointed to each of their respective light sensors. And so essentially what would happen if an intruder comes in and blocks one of the light sensors, the light emitter goes off, and so the PIR motion sensor has been activated, and due to my motion it has activated the alarm, which is now buzzing. Yes. And so if I would like to now deactivate the system, I press the letter B on the remote. It will prompt me to input the pin. And so the system is now off. So let us try again. I turn it on. Prompts me to input the pin. And the system is now active. And here, when the door is opened, when the alarm is on, the buzzer should go off. The alarm should be triggered. And when the door is closed, the alarm is now untriggered. Yes. And so let us try again with one of the other motion sensors, with one of the other laser emitters. So there, I have blocked the light, and the motion sensor has been activated, and the alarm goes off.